So this is my remote activated proximity sensing alarm system. So what we have here is the basic stamp chip right here, which I programmed to do all this crazy stuff. The accelerometer right here, which is my sensor, which tells the circuit if it's moving or not moving. My remote receiver here, and my transmitter is just like a car remote. Very inexpensive, used for finding your keys and different goofy stuff, but I converted it over so it will activate and deactivate the alarm system. I've got my voice recording module over here, which I converted and inputted a sample of my choosing on there, and so we're going to activate this baby and see what happens. So there we go, we're in alarmed mode, activated mode. So if I want to, I can disarm the system from the same button. So then it'll go into standby mode. So we're going to activate it again and see if the alarm works. So I move this.
Hey you, hey you, hey you. Ooh, want me, want me, want me.
So there we go.